The BN-Link dual outlet outdoor digital timer is simple and easy to use. The timer is waterproof and can be used to control sprinklers, lighting, and much more. Let's get started with initial setup. First, press any button. If the screen does not light up, plug the timer into an outlet for 30 minutes to charge the internal battery. Next, press the reset button with the tip of a small non-metallic insulated tool such as a pencil or toothpick. With the charged battery, you can now unplug and set up the timer in the comfort of your chair. The screen will go blank if no button is pressed within 3 minutes. To activate, press any key. To set the current day and time, press and hold the clock button, and while holding, press the week button until the correct day appears. Next, press and hold the clock button, and while holding, press the hour button until it's the correct hour of the day. Be sure to keep note of if the time is AM or PM, which will be listed at the top left. After this, press and hold the clock button, and while holding, press the minute button until it's the correct time of the day. This timer, for example, would now indicate that it's Friday, 7:30 AM. Now let's set a program. First, note that whatever programs you set, they will not run in manual mode. You can see what the timer is set to at the bottom. MAN stands for manual, and auto stands for automatic. You can switch the timer between auto and manual by holding the manual button for 4 seconds. In auto mode, the programs you set will run. In manual mode, they will not. To set a program where you want the timer to turn on or off, press the Program button to enter program setting. You'll see at the bottom left 1 on, meaning this is program 1, and you will be setting the time you want the timer to turn on. Press week until the day of the week you want the device to turn on is indicated. The timer can also do multiple days of the week. Toggle through to see all combinations it can do. Next, press hour until the hour you want the device to turn on is indicated. And then the same for what minute you want the device to turn on. Once again, keep an eye on whether the device is in AM or PM by the indicator on the left side. Next, press Program again to get to 1 off, and follow the same steps for setting the day, hour, and minute you want the timer to turn back off. You can press R on any program to erase it, and R again to restore it. Make sure if you delete an on program, you delete its off program as well, and vice versa. You can press the clock button to return to the main screen. You can press the Program button at any time to go see your programs. There are 8 different on-off programs you can set. Please remember, your timer must be set to auto mode for your timers to run. Next, for vacation security, we will discuss how to set random mode. For random mode, press the week and hour buttons at the same time. RND will be shown to the right of the display. You must have 1 set of programs minimum for random mode to work. Random mode will postpone each on and off time by 2 to 32 minutes. You can turn random mode off by pressing week and hour at the same time again. For daylight saving time function, press hour and minute at the same time to activate or deactivate. A small symbol, +1 hour, will appear on the far right of the LCD screen when DST is active. Turning on this function will change the current time 1 hour ahead. Turning off the function will revert this change. The timer cannot adjust daylight saving time by itself. It must be manually enabled or disabled. For more information, safety warnings, and troubleshooting, please review the included guide. Thanks for choosing BN-Link.